Hello, NEMS. If you are having issues accessing programs, including all Canvas content, on your iPad at home, please follow the following directions. Number 1, please swipe out of all your apps on your iPad. Number 2, open Safari. Number 3, go to google.com. Number 4, click Sign In. If you are signed into a personal account, you will need to sign out and sign into your school account. If you are already signed into your school account, you can exit out. Your username will be your school email, and the password will be your network password. Number 5, exit out of Safari. Number 6, on your home screen, open the Captive Portal web clip. On the Captive Portal, select Log In with Google. Once this is selected, you should see that screen. Once activated, the student will be able to access websites and apps at home. The activation period is 4 hours. After that time, students will be prompted to activate again. Remember these key points about the authentication process. 1. Students must authenticate before they can use any app or website. Number 2, use Safari to authenticate. Number 3, log in with your school Google/email account. Number 4, authentication will last for 4 hours. 5, the student will need to authenticate each time he or she needs to access Wi-Fi outside of school. Please note, if you are using Canvas, the web browser seems to work best for many situations. Be sure you log into Canvas Web when you are using it. If you are not logged in, there will be a place to log in the top left sign of the browser.